How to Create a Glitch Monologues Season 11 Chapter 1. This is Episode 1 of How to Create a Glitch in the Matrix Monologues Season 11. In this episode, we will be further elaborating the web of associations constructed in Season 10, with the primordial unit class of 6. The goal of this episode will be to change the way that we look at reality, to enable us to perceive and shape reality according to this new web of associations. Part and parcel of constructing a web of associations involves the separation and categorization of the product of the senses in terms of the primordial unit class. We have already conceptualized spatiality in terms of 3 dimensions and temporality in terms of 3 dimensions, using the shorthand of this podcast in terms of open and closed thoughts. The next step is to conceptualize the senses in these same terms. To start off, there are 6 recognized senses: taste, smell, touch, sight, sound, and proprioception. Of these, we can conceptualize 3 in terms of these already established categories of dimension. These 3 are taste, color, and sound. We'll start with taste. In Indian medicine, there are 6 forms of taste: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, pungent, astringent. From these 6, we can assert the shorthand corresponding to the 6 dimensions of space and time. Thus, sweet becomes a left open to left open, sour becomes a right open to right open, salty becomes a left open to right open, bitter becomes a left open to closed, pungent a right open to closed, astringent a closed to closed. Likewise, in regards to color, we can say that the RGB color wheel produces 6 primary colors, being red, blue, green, cyan, magenta, yellow. These colors we can classify as 1. Red, left open to left open 2. Blue, right open to right open 3. Green, left open to right open 4. Cyan, left open to closed 5. Magenta, right open to closed 6. Yellow, closed to closed. Finally, there are 6 fundamental sounds that when recognized by an infant demonstrate understanding of all aspects of speech. These sounds are 1. R, which becomes left open to left open 2. E, which becomes right open to right open 3. U, which becomes left open to right open 4. Shush, which becomes left open to closed 5. S, which becomes right open to closed 6. Which becomes closed to closed. Our web of associations now has a way of reconceptualizing 1. Sound, 2. Taste, 3. Color, 4. Dimensions of spatiality, 5. Dimensions of time. Using these new forms of encoding information in a 6-unit primordial class allows us to implicate the number 6 and what it represents for us each time we use the lens created by these new associations. The end of goal of this process is the construction of a new way of perceiving the world around us, implicating our unique web of associations with each thought and manifestation. For us, the octahedron becomes a sacred object. The number 6 the fundamental number of reality. When we ritualistically snap our fingers to create continuity, we snap them each 3 times. When we dance to produce a glitch, we repeat each dance move 6 times. All of this is merely hypothetical. But the point is to create a web of associations, to use it to understand and categorize our experiences, to bring the uncanny into fruition. There are myriad ways of bringing this web deeper into one's awareness. But this is only the beginning, the rest is up to you. That's the end of the podcast for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment and subscribe.